BTA just made it easy for me to let her go because I'm real hands-on and want to hold her tight because those are my babies. But I can say the money I spent is well worth it, every dime. The director said, well, were you relieved? I was like, yes, I was. You know how much, if I could have helped her, I would have. Once I got her tested and came here, and it was a relief. It was to know that I could place her somewhere, I could sit her somewhere, somebody could help her. And now she had to repeat the second grade. Now we've gotten through second grade, we're A, B honor roll. When I say I went from a child who was adjusting to moving here, who simply had to learn how to make friends, who learned how to adjust. She's done that. And this year in second grade, oh, baby, rock star, rock solid.